All right, we got all three up eating. So let's see if we can sneak around and get the car out of the way. Go out the back door. See if we can sneak to the car. See if we can get in, and as long as they're on the porch and making noise over here, they won't come towards me. See all three of them one at the bottom step and two up there eating with the mother. So we should be good. They're running away, so oh. 4.5, 5 hour wait. Whew. Now I can go get some things done. And this is an everyday thing. Sometimes they never come out at the same time. One or two come out, eat, the other one stays in. Then that one will come out, the other two are in the car. Some days I can't go nowhere.